Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 16's update struck on estimating time remaining and update request on your iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to iOS 16 struck on estimating time remaining and update request on your iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this tutorial, I will show you solutions for the iOS 16 struck on estimating time remaining and update request on your iPhone and iPad. Now the first one solution is important for the iPhone and iPad users. The solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and first one option is aeroplane mode. If you turn off, so guys, please make sure turn off in your iPhone and iPad. Now wait for the sometimes, then again turn off aeroplane mode on your iPhone. Now the second solution is turn on and off iPhone and iPad. So guys, now question is what to do. First of all, open the settings app. In settings app, after scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now again scroll down and last option is shutdown. In shutdown, slide to power off after 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. Now the third one solution is turn off passcode on your iPhone and iPad. Now the user's question is what to do. First of all, open the settings. In settings, find out the touch ID and password. Now again enter your correct passcode. Now again scroll down, after you can see also turn off passcode on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. Sometimes lot of users VPN connect after install the iOS 16's update. Now the solution is disable VPN on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now again first of all find out the open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the VPN and device management. If your VPN is connected, now please make sure disable and turn off it on your iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you most important solutions for the iPhone and iPad users. The solution is reset network settings on your iPhone and iPad. Now the user's question is what to do. Now first of all, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now again scroll down and select the transfer and reset iPhone. Now tap on the reset. In reset, you can see also second option is reset network settings. Now enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset network settings. Now the sixth solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. If you are using iPhone 13 series, 12 series, 11 series, X series and iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. First of all, tap on the volume up button, then tap on the volume down button and press and hold the power on off button at the same times. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons and easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. Now the last solutions for the estimating time remaining and update request problem fix. Now the solution is reset all the settings. So guys, what to do. First of all, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now again scroll down, reset and also transfer iPhone options available. Now please make sure tap on it, tap on the reset. Now again tap on the reset all setting. Now enter your correct passcode and reset all the settings on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem. Thank you so much.